Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Keisha Taylor. I've been a brow artist and esthetician for over 20 years, and I'm here to show you easy, practical steps that you can do at home to get your beauty routine popping today and for the future. Today, I'm just going to keep it real simple. I'm going to show you 3 easy steps to wax your chin hair. Yes, I did a tweezing video about chin hairs and how to tweeze correctly, but now I'm going to show you how to wax your chin hairs at home with at-home products. So we're going to be using 3 different products. We're going to be using the Gigi Honey Bear Wax. Looks just like this. It's shaped, and it's a lot of light in here from the sun, but it's shaped just like honey bear. It kind of look like a vitamin or something. And then we're going to be using micellar water to pre-clean the area. And then we're going to be using Vaseline Cocoa Radiant, and this is a replenishing oil. Okay, so we're going to use this after to get the wax off and restore our skin. Before we get started, I am going to show you my chin hairs because people say that they couldn't see the last video. So let's hope the sun is not shining too much, so I'm going to try to block it. And here you go. So I'm putting the microphone down, but here is my actual chin hairs. So I have more on the left side and less on the right side. I don't have any hyperpigmentation down here in the chin area. So I did the last tweezing video about 3 months ago. It takes my chin hairs to grow back fully in about 6, sometimes 8 weeks, depending on the hair growth cycle. So it can take that long. It can take anywhere from 4 to 8 weeks. Some things that you ought to know. I've always had chin hair. I don't have PCOS. I am menopause, but I've always had chin hair ever since my early 20s. Before then, I had like a little bit, and so this is a lot to me. And I always get that one gray hair, and that's okay. I'm not really pressed, but my advice to you is to not razor it. If you razor it, and trust me, I know, because when I don't feel like doing anything, I'll razor it real quick and it will grow back and it will itch so much. So I do not recommend razoring it. If you don't want to get hyperpigmentation, then you want to let those hairs grow back fully. Please, please do not keep picking at your skin. Our skin is sensitive in that area, and the more you pick at it, you will get dark spots and hyperpigmentation. So keep your hands off that area. Let it grow back. You know, I know it's ugly. Look, y'all, I've been walking around with this. I'm not really worrying about it, but I know some ladies, you guys have it here on your neck and you have a lot here. And in that case, I would go see a professional. But if you have to do something, tweezing is always the first and safest method. If you didn't catch that video on how to tweeze properly to avoid hyperpigmentation, make sure you click that link below. Today, I'm going to show you how to wax the chin area to avoid hyperpigmentation. This is important. First things first, we are going to clean the area with micellar water first. All I'm going to do is take a cotton round, and I'm going to put some micellar water on the cotton round. Then I'm going to proceed to wipe the chin area. But before I do that, let me just tie my hair back because it will get in my way. All right, so wiping this chin area. Okay, and you want to proceed to let that dry. So let the micellar water dry naturally. Now what I'm going to go in and what I'm going to do is I am going to take a spoolie and I'm going to comb the hairs in the direction that they should be in. So they pretty much go back like this, because when you apply the wax, you want to apply it in the direction that the hair is growing in. That's important to avoid hyperpigmentation. You don't want to go against the grain, you want to go with the grain. All right, so now that we got that going, and y'all, I got to put this microphone down. I'm going to pick up a wax stick, okay? And I'm going to use a big one because I just kind of want to get it over and done with. This is hard wax, so it's stripless. You do not need strips. I'm going to proceed to dip this in the wax. When you put the wax, you do need a heater for the wax. So when you put the wax in the heater, make sure that you follow the instructions that comes with the wax so that you know the temperature that it should be. I keep mine at about an 80, but again, I'm a professional and I know how to wait when wax cool down to put on my skin. This is how much wax I'm going to use. pulling my skin up. Okay, now I am going to let that dry. Sometimes you want to take the wax and just like pick your skin up to see if it's tacky so that you can snatch it. It's not ready yet. It's not hard enough yet. So you want to wait until it hardens. Okay, it's starting to harden. I feel it. So I'm lifting up the sides. And it will take a while to get used to. Now I'm just going to snatch it. Okay. See? Oh gosh, it's like it's in my way. But you guys see the hair right there. Okay. Okay. Now with hard wax, you can go over, not a lot, but you can go over it. I did get most of the hair out, so I'm gonna get close. You see the side is clear over here, so I got to work on this side to like right here. Now you can see it like good. Okay. So now I'm gonna move to the other side. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna use a smaller wood stick so that you can see it with the smaller one. Okay. I'm gonna apply. Always stretch the skin before you apply. All right. That's why I wear gloves. You should be wearing gloves. Please wear gloves. Okay, wait till you get a little tack. Pick up the ends. Okay, now when the ends are like this, you can pull. Stretch your skin. Okay, you guys see? That's the hair. Got some more to pull off. I'm just taking the wax that's left on the stick and just pulling the rest off. Okay. I see one little, actually, no. I just see some peach fuzz there. So I'm gonna just get the last of the little bit of peach fuzz because I want a smooth face. And you guys can see that the hair is gone, but I still have some fuzz that I don't like. So and that is it. The next thing you want to do is put an after cleanse or some type of oil on your chin. First, you want something with anti inflammatory properties, okay? Something soothing for your skin, and this could be different for everybody. Today, I'm going to use the Vaseline Cocoa Radiant Replenishing Oil. I'm just going to take that and I'm going to put that on a cotton round. Trying to hold the microphone and talk at the same time is insane. And yes, I do have another microphone, but this one is just easier. Okay, so Now I'm just gonna wipe the area. Okay, and the oil is gonna get the wax off. The oil is gonna get the wax off. Okay, I'm gonna go in one more time. Let's wax all the way over here. That's fine. And you can see that my chin is red. Now, I'd rather have a red chin than have hyperpigmentation. If you guys just follow those 3 easy steps, pre-cleanse, micellar water, wax with Gigi Honey Bear Heart Wax, okay? And then your after cleanse, your pre-treatment, the Vaseline Cocoa Radiant Replenishing Oil, or any type of oil of your choice. Usually I do my rose gold oil, but it's not near me. So I would just use that. Now I'm gonna get close so that you can see my chin and that the hairs are gone. So I'm gonna put the mic down. And that took literally like 10 minutes. If you are a beginner and you are just starting to wax, make sure that you test the wax on your arm or your leg before you put it on your chin to make sure that you're not allergic to it or you won't have any kind of reactions. I always recommend that when it's your first time doing something. And be patient with yourself. Waxing is not easy. If you cannot do it, then just go to a professional. But you can get the Gigi Honey Bear Wax. You can get it at Sally's Beauty Supply. You can get it from Amazon, and you can get it from Gigi Wax Store online. I'm going to leave all 3 links below. No, this is not sponsored, but I wanted to give you something easy that you can do and something that you can go get that doesn't require a professional license. Okay. And these wax sticks, the large ones and the small ones, you can get by themselves, but they do give you a few in the kit. If you are new to this, you might go through some. So I would just get some backup. You can get some popsicle sticks from the dollar store. That works perfectly fine. Or if you have these little small orange sticks, you can use that as well. I hope that this wax tutorial was easy for you. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. If you are new to my channel, make sure you comment, ask your questions, subscribe. I would love to see you here. I can't wait to share more beauty advice with you and more simple beauty routines. All right, YouTube, I'll see you in the next video.